Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, your favorite vlog for interesting and entertaining Yoruba movie reviews. So today we're talking about this brand new Yoruba movie titled MOFE, brought to us by the Damilola on TV. And trust me, this one is one of those movies that will make you sit down, watch, and ask yourself one important question. If you were in this character's position, what would you do? This movie takes us into a story filled with emotions, relationships, difficult choices, and the consequence of the decisions we make. So, without giving too much away at the beginning, Mofe centers around characters whose life become connected through situations that test their emotions, relationships, and ability to make the right decisions. So, guys, if you love Yoruba movies that combine relationship with serious life situations, then this movie has something for you. And yes, this movie is a Yoruba drama that is worth checking out, especially if you enjoy stories built around relationships, emotion, difficult choices, and relatable movies. You should go and watch this movie. So I would love to hear from you guys also. Did you enjoy Mofe? Which character do you think made the biggest mistake? And if you were in that character position, what would you make? What decision would you have made? So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest amazing Yoruba movies and recommendation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next one. Bye.